Hey, good morning to you, Chuck here at Pals. So we have a very pretty 72 Olds 442 here. And we're not doing any kind of restoration work on it. The car is in great condition the way it is. But classic cars need routine maintenance as well. So we're doing an oil change and greasing all the fittings on this. Now you might ask, what kind of oil are you running this thing? Well, you got to run racing oil with high zinc, because these old engines need the high zinc in the oil to protect them. Anyway, as you can see, it's quite a beautiful car. It's very nice inside. Look at the interior. It is just a gorgeous car. So if you've got a classic car that just needs routine maintenance, bring it to Pals. If you got a classic car that you need restoration work done, rewired, new engine, resealed transmissions or engines, bring it to Pals. We'll help you with it any way we can. Hope to see you soon for your classic car's routine maintenance at Pals.